Hi students, welcome to second standard maths class. In previous class what we saw, in third term first we are going to learn some basics. Okay, so that first we saw numbers name. Okay, today we are going to saw the addition with the carryover sums. Okay, I hope all are very clear about the numbers name. Okay, so today we are going to see addition with the carryover. You already know normal addition sum and addition with the carryover sums. Okay, it is very easy for you. Once again I teach you the addition with the carryover sums. Okay, and I will give the homework for you. Okay, see first sum. First sum is 24 and 17. Okay, I already taught you that first you put the column. Okay, ones column and tens column. You know the place value, so put the place value for given numbers. Okay, this is ones column and this one is tens column. Okay, first add these two numbers. Okay, 4 in the mind, 7 in the finger, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, what is the answer? 11. Okay, 4 in the mind, 11 in the finger. Okay, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so the answer is 11. I already told you that if the answer is 2 digit means first to put the 1 digit value in ones place answer. Okay, ones place answer. Then put the tens place in tens column, upper side of the tens column and round it. Okay, this is called carry over. Okay, this is called carry over. Okay, then add these three numbers together. Okay, first add these two numbers, 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 1 after 2, 3. Okay, put 3 in middle of these two numbers, given two numbers. Okay, then add these two numbers, 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 3 after 4. Okay, what is the answer? 4. Okay, we are adding these two numbers, we get a total 41. The 41 is the answer for this sum. Okay, see the second sum. Do it. Okay, first put the column, ones column and tens column. First add the ones column. Okay, 8 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, the answer is 2 digit. First put the 1 digit ones place value in answer place of ones column. Okay, 2, and the tens place in tens place value in upper side of the tens column and round it. Okay, then add these two numbers, sorry, these three numbers together. Okay, first keep 1 in your mind, 3 in the finger. Okay, 1 after 2, 3, 4. Keep 4 in middle of this given two numbers. Okay, then 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 4 after 5, 6. Okay, what is the answer? 6. Okay, adding these two numbers we get a total 62. The 62 is the answer for this sum. Okay, see the third sum. First put ones and tens column and add first ones column. Okay, 9 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 9 after 10, 11, 12. Okay, the answer is 2 digit. 2 digit means what did I say? First you put the ones place value in ones column answer place. Okay, 2. Then tens place value in upper side of the tens column and round it. Okay, then add these three numbers together. Okay, first keep 1 in your mind and 5 in the finger, 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 in middle of this given two numbers and put 6 in your mind and 1 in the finger, 6 after 7. Okay, what is the answer for this sum? We are adding these two numbers and getting the total 72. The total is the answer, so the answer of this sum is 72. Okay, you already know how to add the carryover sums. Okay, I hope all are very clear about that. Next I will give the homework for you. Today homework is do the sums. Okay, you have to do the 6 sums addition, 6 sums. Okay, this 6 sums, this is the homework for you. I hope all are very clear about that. Okay, do it correctly and send it. Thank you.